Hello friends, my name is Pratiksha Singh from 6th grade. Today I am going to do an activity of Geography Chapter 3, The Motion of the Earth. In this activity we will see how day and night time occur due to the rotation of our Earth. Let's start our activity. Suppose this is our sun. And this ball is our Earth. I have also marked a point on this ball. When this point is towards the sun, this point will occur daytime, and when this point is at the opposite side of the sun, this part will occur nighttime, and our earth together rotate and revolutes in this position. Thank you.